Welcome back to this video. The type of design you want to create will determine the kind of layout you need to set up. However, in this video, I will walk you through step by step on general layout setting in CorelDRAW 2025. Let me show you how. What you want to do here is to simply come to the top right here, click on File, then from File, make sure you click on New. And this is going to pop up right here. So from this interface here, this is where you need to set up your new layout entirely in CorelDRAW. Let's say, for instance, we want to create a 4 paper size of any document. What we want to do here, we can select by custom right here. You have different custom layout settings right here in Corel25. You can scroll down right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see all available layouts right here. Now you can simply choose from the template right here. However, you can as well create a custom template as far as the layout setting is concerned. Okay, now here we want to simply go ahead and create. So now all we want to do here is to go ahead and create a layout setting. But in some cases, you may decide to create a layout setting for print design or web graphics. So if you want to create a layout setting for print design, it is advisable you come to the top right here, click on all pages right here, and this is going to pop up. Simply select print. So once you select print, then this is going to be a print layout entirely. So if you check on the result right here, so by the time you scroll down, you see all the layouts right here from the pre-template. Everything here are print layout templates. So to make it very easy and straightforward, let's say for instance you want to create A2 paper size. So simply come to this point right here and make sure you select A2 paper size. So I'm going to simply look for it right here, A2 paper size. So here we go. Select your A2 paper size. Then you have the default right here. So once you select, you have everything right here. Then here you can title the name of the design. So you can call this flyer template. Okay. Then how many page number you want to set up. So you can decide to create as many as possible page layout for this. However, I'm creating a single one page, and by default it needs to be in the CMYK, just like what you see right here. Then here it has to be in whatever centimeter or inches or what have you. So by default it is in millimeter, so we can simply switch from millimeter right here and switch to inches. This is depends on exactly what we want to achieve, so we still maintain the same stuff right here. Okay, we can simply go back to millimeter to pick on the right template, so you are having the same result right here. Okay, next thing we want to do right here is to determine the orientation page. So you can either choose a landscape, you can either choose portrait, or you choose a landscape right here. So I'm going to leave it in a portrait. Then here the resolution should be maximum of 300 right here. So once you are done with all these settings, next thing you need to do is to simply hit on OK. And in a few seconds, you have your page layout setting completely in CorelDRAW. However, right here, we can also convert this from millimeter to inches. What we want to do is to come to the top right here from millimeters. So click on millimeters. We can convert this into whatever format. We can convert it to inches. So right here, we can convert it to inches. So once you convert it to inches, there is nothing will happen to your page layout setting. You are still going to maintain everything right here, just like what you see right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about how best to use CorelDRAW software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you